Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can join a guild in Capybara GO app. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, launch the application in your mobile device. So once you do that, log in to your account. So if you like to join a guild in Capybara GO, you'll need to clear chapter 4 in the game. Once you finish chapter 4 and move on to chapter 5, which is called Never Fall, the guild feature will automatically unlock. When that happens, look at your main screen and you'll see a new guild button right beside the start button. Tap onto it to open the guild menu, and here you can see a list of available guilds to join. Scroll through and pick one that fits your playstyle, or simply tap on auto join to quickly join any open guild. Once you're in, you will enter the guild hall where you can check all of the features like guild shop, guild raid, and many other activities your guild offers. And that's it. You have successfully joined a guild in Capybara GO. Being in a guild helps you earn more reward and join team events, so definitely take advantage of it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.